Mark Fitzpatrick here. I know I said I wasn't gonna give you a look until we were completely done, but I'm over here Saturday peeling off the energy guide and all that stuff from the dishwasher and the oven here. And I'm gonna give you another tiny look at the master bathroom. So let's go take a look. So this is definitely the last sneak peek. You can see the master shower is in. We got the glass door. And we're waiting on mirrors that came in incorrect in terms of size. So that's what we're waiting on. And once we get those in, we'll put the faucets in, turn that light off. And the cleaning company to come, the master bedroom, and I'm gonna leave it at that. So a lot of little things to clean up, but we are essentially there. Same thing in the other bathroom. We're waiting on the mirror. They're supposed to be here midweek. And remember I mentioned this screen. They still haven't come for that. And that's gonna bug me. So Monday morning, that's on my list. And one other thing, this thermostat, this speaks to me right now. You know what it says? I'm old, right? And this is all new. So no offense, old thermostat, gotta go. And so the HVAC company I had come out and service the unit is going to be out Wednesday. And that guy is going in the garbage. Anyway, had to do that. So that's it. That is the final video before the full reveal. That will be next. So stay tuned, hit the notifications and subscribe. This condo is beautiful. And if you didn't see the location, you can check the location. The address will be there. Message me early because this one is going to be in demand. I hope, should be. We put a lot into it like we did all the other ones. So I hope you love it and hope you share it with somebody and hope you enjoyed these videos. And I can't wait for you to see the finished product completely. All right, take care. Have a great day.